Hello there. Welcome to another episode of my Health Benefits video series. If you have ever tested Indian cuisines, most probably you have come across the aromatic flavor of a unique leaf, popularly known as curry leaf. Native to Indian subcontinent, the plant easily grows most part of Asia, particularly South and South Asian region in a temperature 18 degrees Celsius and above. The plant generally grows 4 to 6 meters tall in well-drained soil with full sunlight or partial shade. Though the leaf is called curry leaf, down curry, kariveppilai, or kadi patta, it is not an ingredient of curry powder. However, the leaves are commonly used in curry dishes to boost up curry flavor. Besides curry dishes, the leaves are also used to make curry leaf tea, thoran, apari, vadai, and rasam. Looking into the nutritional value of curry leaf, it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin B2. Curry leaves are also said to be a good source of iron and calcium, and for this reason, curry leaves are used as part of folklore medicine to treat calcium deficiency and several other conditions including weight loss, constipation and diarrhea, morning sickness and nausea, diabetics, stress, wounds, burns and skin eruptions, hair loss, memory loss, and so on. So the curry leaf is not only used for its unique aromatic flavor, it is also used for its health or medicinal benefits. Let's look into some important health benefits of consuming curry leaves. Curry leaves are packed with antioxidants that may protect your body by reducing oxidative stress and scavenging free radicals. Several studies have shown that curry leaves contain compounds function as antioxidants, which play an essential role in keeping your body healthy and free from disease. A study in rats demonstrated that oral treatment with antioxidant-rich curry leaf extract protect against medication-induced stomach damage and reduce marks of oxidative stress. Other animal studies have shown that curry leaf extract may help protect against induced oxidative damage of the nervous system, heart, brain, and kidneys. Consuming curry leaves may benefit heart health by reducing heart disease risk factors such as high cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Research shows that consuming curry leaves may benefit heart health in several ways. A 2-week study in rats with high-fat diet-induced obesity showed that oral treatment with 136 mg of curry leaves extract per pound of body weight per day significantly lowered cholesterol and triglyceride level. Some research in animals suggests that curry leaf extract may protect against neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disease characterized by loss of neurons. A study in mice found that oral treatment with high doses of curry leaf extract improved levels of brain-protecting antioxidant and reduced the amount of oxidative damage in brain cells, as well as enzymes associated with Alzheimer's disease progression. Curry leaves may have powerful anti-cancerous properties. A test tube study involving curry extract samples from curry leaves grown in different locations in Malaysia found that they all exhibited powerful anti-cancerous effects and inhibited the growth of an aggressive type of breast cancer. Another test tube study found that curry leaf extract changed the growth of two types of breast cancer cells and decreased cells viability. The extract also induced death to breast cancer cells. Curry leaf extract may help reduce high blood sugar levels. Study conducted on animals showed that curry leaf extract reduces high blood sugar levels and protects against symptoms related to diabetes, including nerve pain and kidney damage. Curry leaves contains anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of 4 new carbazole alkaloids. These compounds may help reduce inflammatory conditions such as asthma or itching. Applying curry leaves paste or oil over inflamed skin can help reduce inflammation. Curry leaf contains antibacterial properties. A test tube study found that curry leaves extract inhibited the growth of potentially harmful bacteria, including Corynebacterium tuberculosis. Although curry leaves are edible, some people do not like to eat them and prefer to use them only for its curry-like aroma in cuisines. Eating curry leaves is healthy and do not cause any side effects. You can easily grow curry leaf plant in a pot or on the ground. The plant can be propagated from cuttings or seeds. Growing curry plants from cutting is much easier than attempting to grow it from seeds. I hope you have received some important information about the health benefit of curry leaves in this video. If you like the video, please click the like button. If you want me to upload more such video in this channel, please subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, thank you for watching.